Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best compact air fryer that makes cooking quick, simple, and much healthier without taking up too much space. If you want crispy and delicious food with less oil and less effort, this is something you'll love having in your kitchen. Let's get started. The Dash Tasty Crisp Compact Air Fryer is built for convenience and everyday use. It has a sleek and modern gray finish that looks clean and stylish on any countertop. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, or even RV living. Even though it is small, it still offers enough space to prepare meals for one or two people without feeling limited. One of the most important features of the Dash Tasty Crisp Compact Air Fryer is its Air Crisp technology. This allows you to cook your favorite foods using hot air instead of oil. The result is crispy and tasty food with up to 80% less fat. This is a great choice if you want to enjoy fried foods in a healthier way without losing flavor or texture. Using this air fryer is very simple and beginner-friendly. You just load your food into the non-stick basket, set your temperature and timer, and let the machine do the rest. The digital interface is clear and easy to understand, so you do not have to deal with complicated controls. The adjustable temperature range from 200 to 400 degrees gives you full control over your cooking. This means you can prepare a wide variety of meals, from vegetables and snacks to chicken and more. It helps you get the perfect crisp and cook your food just the way you like it. The timer goes up to 60 minutes, which makes cooking more relaxed and stress-free. You do not need to keep checking your food constantly. Just set the time and focus on other tasks while your meal cooks. Another helpful feature is the 3 preset buttons. These presets are designed for common foods and make cooking faster and more consistent. You can get great results without needing to guess the right settings every time. Safety is also well handled in the Dash Tasty Crisp Compact Air Fryer. The auto shutoff feature turns the unit off once cooking is complete. This helps prevent overcooking and gives you peace of mind, especially during busy days. Cleaning this air fryer is quick and easy thanks to the PTFE non-stick basket. Food does not stick much, so you can clean it in just a few minutes. This makes it perfect for daily use without extra hassle. Even with its compact design, this air fryer is very versatile. You can fry, bake, roast, and crisp all kinds of food using one simple device. It saves time, reduces oil use, and makes cooking more enjoyable. This small device can make a big difference in your kitchen. Check the price link in the description and see how it can fit into your daily routine. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing and useful gadgets.